Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk how to remember words. So, first understand this. Forgetting words is not a mistake. It is part of learning. Now let's learn some easy tips. Tip number 1. Think in English. Do not translate from your language. This takes time. Try to think in simple English. For example, if you see a dog, say in your mind, "This is a dog." Do this daily. Tip number 2. Use simple words. If you forget a difficult word, don't stop speaking. Use easy words. For example, instead of delicious, say very tasty. Communication is more important than perfect words. Okay? Tip number 3. Speak every day. Practice is the key. Talk to your friend, your family, or even yourself. Stand in front of a mirror and speak for 2 minutes. This will build your confidence. Tip number 4. Learn sentences, not just words. Do not learn single words only. Learn full sentences. For example, the sky is beautiful. This helps you remember better. Tip number 5. Repeat words. When you learn a new word, say it many times. Use it in different sentences. Repetition helps your brain remember. Tip number 6. Stay calm. If you forget a word, don't panic. Take a deep breath. Try to explain it in another way. People will understand you. Okay? Next, tip number 7. Watch and listen in English. Watch videos. Listen to songs and enjoy English daily. When you hear words again and again, your brain remembers them easily. Tip number 8. Write daily. Write 1 or 2 sentences every day. This improves your memory and speaking. Remember, learning English is a journey. You don't need to be perfect. Just practice a little every day. So next time you forget a word, smile and continue speaking. You are learning. You are improving. You can do it. Thank you and see you in the next class.